Steps to his heart, how to make him fall in love with you. Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel, Love. It's one of the most beautiful, yet mysterious feelings in the world, finding love. And let's face it, at some point we've all wondered, how can I make him fall in love with me? Have you ever wondered that? I know I have. It's only natural to want that kind of deep connection with someone special. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the secrets behind building a deep connection and understanding the steps to his heart. We're gonna laugh, we're gonna learn, and maybe, just maybe, we'll find the secret to unlocking love. If you're ready to transform your relationship or start something new with a solid foundation, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to build a connection that's meaningful, lasting, and full of love. Be authentically you. Okay, first things first, let's talk about being yourself. You've gotta be yourself. It's the foundation of everything. When you embrace who you truly are, you set the stage for genuine connections and real happiness. Because honestly, trying to be someone you're not is exhausting. It's like wearing a mask all the time, and eventually it wears you down. You can't keep up the charade forever. It's like trying to juggle rubber chickens while riding a unicycle. It's just too much. You end up feeling overwhelmed and out of balance. Life is challenging enough without adding unnecessary complications. And you know what? Men can spot a fake a mile away. They have a sixth sense for authenticity. When you're not being true to yourself, it shows. And it can be a major turnoff. They can smell it like a dog smells bacon. It's that obvious. So why not save yourself the trouble and just be real from the start? So ditch the act, throw away the script, and just be your amazing, quirky, wonderful self. Embrace your uniqueness and let it shine through in everything you do. Think about it this way. Do you want someone to fall in love with a facade, or do you want them to fall head over heels for the real you? The choice is clear. Authenticity fosters deeper, more meaningful relationships. I know I'd rather someone love me for me, even if that means I sometimes snort when I laugh. Those little quirks are what make us human and relatable, which I do. Don't judge. Embrace your imperfections because they are part of what makes you unique and lovable. Being authentic is about embracing all those little things that make you unique. Your quirks, your passions, your dreams, they all contribute to the wonderful person you are. Your laugh, your sense of humor, your love for collecting rubber ducks, whatever it is, let it shine. Don't hide the things that make you happy, because when you're comfortable in your own skin, it shows. People are drawn to that kind of confidence and authenticity. You radiate this confidence that's absolutely magnetic. It's like a beacon that attracts others to you. Trust me, there's nothing more attractive than someone who's comfortable being themselves. It's the ultimate form of self-assurance. So, step 1 to winning his heart. Just be you. Show him the real, unfiltered version of yourself. Unless you're a cat burglar. In that case, maybe rethink your life choices. Then maybe don't be yourself. Consider a new hobby or career path. Be someone who doesn't steal cats. Adopt, don't shop, and definitely don't steal. Alright, so you're being your fabulous self. But how do you turn that into a love connection? The foundation of love? Well, my friend, it all starts with friendship. Think about it. The best relationships are built on a foundation of friendship. You know, those couples who can laugh together, who can talk about anything, who genuinely enjoy each other's company? That's friendship goals right there. Before you can build a romantic spark, you need that solid ground of friendship. It's like building a house. You wouldn't start with the roof, would you? You need that strong foundation to hold everything together. So how do you build this amazing friendship? It's all about showing genuine interest in him as a person. Ask him about his passions, his dreams, his fears. Listen to him when he talks. And I mean really listen, not just waiting for your turn to speak. Find common interests, share experiences, and just enjoy each other's company. The more you connect on a friendship level, the stronger the bond you'll create. And who knows, that friendship might just blossom into something even more beautiful. But even if it doesn't, you'll have gained a wonderful friend, and that's something to cherish. Let's be honest, everyone loves to feel appreciated, right? The magic ingredients. It's like getting a warm hug on a cold day. And guys, well, they're no different. In fact, feeling appreciated and respected is super important to them. It's like their love language is a big, flashing neon sign that says, "Appreciate me." And who are we to deny them that? So how do we shower them with appreciation and respect? It's the little things, people. Notice the effort he puts in, whether it's fixing something around the house, planning a date, or just listening to you vent about your day. Tell him you appreciate him. Tell him you admire his work ethic, his sense of humor, his killer dance moves, even if they're a little questionable. A little appreciation goes a long way. And respect? Well, that's about valuing him for who he is, even if you don't always agree with him. Respect his opinions, his boundaries, his love for collecting vintage socks. Hey, no judgment. When you show him appreciation and respect, you're telling him that you see him, you value him, and you cherish him. And that, my friends, is a recipe for love. Chapter 4. The Allure of Mystery. Okay, this next tip might sound a little counterintuitive, but trust me on this one. It's all about embracing the unknown and the unexpected. While it's important to be open and honest in a relationship, it's also important to maintain a little bit of mystery. This doesn't mean being deceptive, but rather keeping a part of yourself reserved. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how the most captivating books and movies always have an element of mystery? They draw you in with their secrets and keep you hooked with their twists and turns. They keep you guessing, they keep you on the edge of your seat. They make you want more. This sense of anticipation and curiosity is what makes them so engaging. Well, the same principle applies to relationships. A little bit of mystery can keep things exciting and fresh. Now, I'm not saying you should become a secret agent or anything, although that would be pretty cool. But you can certainly add a touch of intrigue to your interactions. But you don't have to reveal every single detail about yourself right away. Let there be some things that he discovers over time. Keep some things to yourself. Let him discover new things about you gradually. This slow unveiling can be incredibly captivating. This creates a sense of intrigue, a desire to learn more, to unravel the layers of your personality. It's like peeling an onion, each layer revealing something new and interesting. And remember, having your own life outside of the relationship is crucial. It's important to maintain your individuality and pursue your own interests. Pursue your passions, hang out with your friends, have adventures. These experiences not only enrich your life but also make you a more interesting person. Not only will this make you a more interesting and well-rounded person, but it will also show him that you're not dependent on him for your happiness. Independence is attractive. You have your own life, your own dreams, your own identity. This sense of self is incredibly appealing. And that, my friends, is incredibly attractive. So embrace the allure of mystery and watch your relationship flourish. Chapter 5. Supporting His Dreams, a Love Story. You know that feeling when someone believes in you, even when you don't believe in yourself? It's like having your own personal cheerleader, someone who's always in your corner, rooting for you to succeed. Well, that's the kind of support you want to be for him. Everyone has dreams, aspirations, goals they want to achieve. And having someone who supports those dreams can make all the difference. Ask him about his goals, listen to his plans, and offer your encouragement. Be his biggest fan, his confidant, his partner in crime, but maybe not literally, unless it's something harmless like stealing cookies from the cookie jar. Celebrate his victories, big or small, and when he faces setbacks, be there to offer a listening ear, a shoulder to cry on, and a reminder that he's got this. Supporting his dreams shows him that you believe in him, that you see his potential, and that you're invested in his happiness. And that, my friends, is a powerful foundation for love. Chapter 6. Communication, the heart-to-heart connection. Okay, we've talked about being authentic, building friendship, showing appreciation, keeping the mystery alive, and supporting his dreams. These are all essential elements in a relationship, but they are not enough on their own. But there's one more crucial ingredient in the recipe for love: communication. It's the glue that holds everything together. Communication is like the bridge that connects two hearts. Without it, misunderstandings and distance can grow. It's how we share our thoughts, our feelings, our hopes, and our dreams. It's the way we let each other into our inner worlds, our feelings, our hopes, and our dreams. When we communicate, we open up a space for understanding and empathy. Without it, we're just two ships passing in the night. We might be close physically, but emotionally, we're worlds apart. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen talking about feelings? Isn't that like the opposite of fun? It can feel daunting, I get it. Isn't that like the opposite of fun? And you're right, sometimes it's not easy. It can be uncomfortable and even scary. And you're right, sometimes it's not easy. But trust me, it's worth it. The rewards far outweigh the discomfort. But trust me, it's worth it. When you communicate openly and honestly with each other, you build a foundation of trust and respect. When you communicate openly and honestly with each other, you create a safe space for vulnerability, for intimacy, for true connection. It's in these moments that real bonding happens. You create a safe space for vulnerability, for intimacy, for true connection. You learn to understand each other's needs, to resolve conflicts constructively. You learn to understand each other's needs, to resolve conflicts constructively, and to support each other through thick and thin. This is how you build a resilient relationship. And to support each other through thick and thin. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It's about giving and receiving. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It's not just about expressing yourself, but also about listening to him with an open heart and an open mind. It's not just about expressing yourself, but also about listening to him with an open heart and an open mind. Sometimes all he needs is someone to listen without judgment, but also about listening to him with an open heart and an open mind. Sometimes all he needs is someone to listen without judgment, someone to offer a comforting word. Sometimes all he needs is someone to listen without judgment, someone to offer a comforting word, someone to just be there, someone to offer a comforting word, someone to just be there. So talk to each other, listen to each other. Someone to just be there. So talk to each other, listen to each other, and watch your connection grow stronger with every conversation. So talk to each other, listen to each other, and watch your connection grow stronger with every conversation. It's a journey worth taking, and watch your connection grow stronger with every conversation. It's a journey worth taking, and every step brings you closer together. Love isn't about manipulating or convincing someone to feel a certain way. Love starts with connection. It's about creating a connection so strong and authentic that they can't help but fall for you. By being yourself, building trust, and showing genuine care and support, you're not just winning his heart, you're building a relationship that can stand the test of time. Remember, love is a journey, not a destination. It's about enjoying the ride, embracing the ups and downs, and growing together along the way. So go out there, be your amazing selves, and let love lead the way. If you found these steps helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.